Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping your name. This takes you into Apple ID controls. Make sure the device is online, because sync and verification need a connection. If you use two-factor authentication, have the trusted device or phone nearby. Once you're signed in, you'll see Apple ID, iCloud, Media, and Purchases. Tap each area to view details. This step matters because it centralizes account, security, and payment settings for quick changes. You now address the complex middle steps, security and payment. Tap Password and Security to update your password or manage two-factor authentication. Doing this protects purchases and backups. Next, go into Payment and Shipping to add or remove cards. Make sure billing addresses match your bank records. Also, review the devices list and remove any unknown devices to revoke access. These steps are essential because they prevent unauthorized charges and secure your iCloud data. Finish by forcing a sync. Sign out and sign back in if settings didn't apply. Then enable iCloud backup so your new preferences and credentials are stored. Make sure key switches, like iCloud Drive and Contacts, are enabled if you rely on them. If changes still fail, restart the device and confirm iOS is up to date. This often resolves permission or UI issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings before re-entering credentials if verification messages don't arrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.